So what's up guys, good afternoon, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Kokus FX. So in this video, according to the title of this video, I'm going to be telling you guys my experience trading gold with my $10 account. It's so funny. So everything happened on 1st of September 2025. Yes, that night I traded Euro USD, and with my $10 account, I entered with a margin of 0.5 USD, and I was able to make extra 7 cents. So I was happy because all the trade I took that day ended in loss. So I was happy. And then I wanted to sleep. Oh, I slept. I closed the trade. I slept. Then around 2:30 in the midnight, I woke up. I wanted to go and urinate, so I woke up and I felt like.
Let me just go through my trading view and see how things are going there.
And when I checked my trading view, I didn't see a nice entry for Euro USD or even GBP USD. So I said, let me go and try gold, XAU USD. Bro, if you see anyone that is trading gold, like if you know anyone that trades gold, just give that person maximum respect, because gold. If I will, let me just finish the story. So with my $5.16 equity that's remaining on my MT5, I entered gold. I entered sell. I know. I entered sell. Guess what? It was buying. Bro, but I made a very big mistake. You know, there's this mistake that I made. Even though that I blew my account, yes, I blew the account. Even though I blew my account, but I learned something. When I entered that trade, I saw a profit of $2.47. I said no, that the market is going to sell. Let me just wait. And that was how I blew my account. As in, I lost everything. My account now is even, as you can see, sir, my hands are dusty. I'm back to the side now. I'm just hustling to raise up 16,000 naira so I can fund my account again, and then take my lessons. Because I've learned my lessons properly, so I will just take profit each time. Anytime I see profit, as a small account, as I'm trying to grow this small account. So the lesson I've learned from this account that I blew is that I should take profit. Assuming I took that $2.47 now, I wouldn't have blown my account. But anyway, but the thing is that for every failure there is always a lesson learned. At least I learned a lesson. Don't play with gold. So as a small account owner, as a beginner, as a newbie, because I'm a newbie, and in this channel, that's why I made up I changed the content of this channel from comedy and lifestyle content to my forex journey. I started forex like 2 months ago. I haven't made any withdrawal. But forex is that, well, before I started forex, let me give you guys a small glimpse about how all these things started. I was into crypto. I was into crypto meme coin. So my guy that was doing forex, but he was using expert option trading stuff. But that's not the main MT5 that we are using to trade. I'm using to trade right now. So anytime I see the chart, I'm always confused. But due to time, because I don't have money to pay for this thing. For mentorship and all of that, so I have to, introduce myself to baby peep, watch some YouTube videos, study, do some research, and through that I've been, by the grace of God, I'm trying to improve. So that $10 that I blew is the first account that I blew. So now I'm going to fund another one again. So anyhow it went, I'm going to let you guys know. So thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, because in this YouTube channel I share my journey, I share my success, I share my failure on my forex journey. So if this is kind of content, this kind of video you always want to watch, please do also subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell, so each time I upload videos like this, you watch and we relate as a newbie or even as a professional trader. You watch me grow, that kind of vibe. So thanks for watching. Thank you. I love you so much. Bye bye. See you guys in the next one. See your boy Kokus FX. So when I'm going to fund my 10 USD, I'm going to tell you guys. So let's see how that one is gonna go. I've learned my lesson. Always take profit. Take profit. Take profit. Sorry, I was taking some thumbnail. I was taking pictures for my thumbnail. Bye bye. See you in the next one. Bye.